So the history of this area is amazing. It's all about mining, and all of these trails and passes used to lead to the old mining operations. It was very big part of this economy in the early 1900s, late 1800s. What an amazing sight. We're coming down out of the California Gulch Pass. We're getting ready to hook up to Hurricane when we come across this beautiful little lake down at the bottom of the pass. We've just come down out of California Pass and are heading up into Hurricane Pass. And if you can see on the right, beautiful Lake Como. It was a stunning view coming out of the first pass in California, and just as beautiful going up Hurricane. So this area is just really beautiful. Down the summit from the Corkscrew Pass, and crazy as it sounds, there's a place that we had to see. This is billed as the most beautiful restroom, the most beautiful restroom in North America. And as you can see, we have an idyllic setting for a very beautiful bathroom. I will tell you, the inside is not as beautiful as the outside, but the location is awesome. We've got some bikers here that are going to park for the night. They're setting up camp right now. So a very beautiful place. Our second day of trails in Colorado is winding down. We had another great day on the trails. We did 5 today. We did Engineer, which was really a fun trail. It was rocky. You had to pick your lines. It was a bit technical. Took quite some time, but it was a really fun trail. And then we looped back around and we did Cinnamon, California Gulch, Corkscrew, and the Hurricane Pass. So we are now camped at a dispersed campsite at the base of Corkscrew. We have the place to ourselves. Beautiful view of the Red Mountains as the sun goes down. It's just a great campsite. We had so much fun today on the trails. We got in some of those on California and Cinnamon, and whoop-de-doos and bouncing, and we were just laughing our heads off. We were banging around in the Jeep so much. So we just had a great time. So anyway, it's happy hour. We're enjoying that. In a little bit, we're going to cook dinner. We're going to try tonight Good to Go mushroom risotto. Now, we've never had the Good to Go stuff before, but we've heard really good things about it, so we thought we'd give it a try. And then after that, we're going to start a little fire in our Wolf and Grizzly fire vault. As I said the other night, I don't see any big reason to start a great big fire. It's just the 2 of us. And this thing works really well for a small fire for 2. And once everything's charged up, we're going to put everything to bed and just enjoy the evening and see what the stars look like. So, cheers to happy hour, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.